St. Kitts has recorded its first set of COVID-19 hospitalized patients, while health officials closed some businesses and imposed tighter curfews. At a special NEOC COVID-19 briefing, St. Kitts and Nevis's Minister of Health, Akila Byron Nisbet, announced that 2 persons have become very ill and are hospitalized for their care. The minister also disclosed that several businesses were closed temporarily because of suspected cases of the COVID-19 virus.
A number of business places have been associated with the recent outbreak. For the safety and protection of the general public, 5 businesses were temporarily closed while we continue our contact tracing and testing. Now, while the decision to vaccinate is voluntary, the consequences of not being vaccinated and exposed to the virus affects all of us. Of the recent 49 cases, 41 are still active and 8 have fully recovered. 2 are very ill and hospitalized. We will keep them in our prayers as our doctors work around the clock towards their recovery. Important to note as well is that the majority of the recently infected persons were either not vaccinated or had only received 1 shot. I can't reiterate more. The vaccine is our best defense against COVID-19. It significantly decreases our risk of getting infected. It significantly decreases your risk of getting seriously ill and hospitalized. And it can prevent you from dying from COVID-19.
An intensive contact tracing exercise began after a hotel worker contracted the virus from a visitor staying at a hotel. The resulting start of community spread led to the closure of schools and an initial nightly curfew. Now officials want to restrict further movement of people at night.
The virus cannot move without your help. As a result, there is a need to further decrease the viral transmission by further enforcement of the restriction on the movement of persons. To this end, the Cabinet has taken the bold decision, based on the current situation, to extend the curfew, which expires tomorrow morning at 5 a.m. The new curfew, which will be in effect from tomorrow, Tuesday, 8th June, will begin from 8 p.m. each night and end at 5 a.m. the next morning. This curfew will be in place for the next 2 weeks.
As the contact tracing progresses, it is expected that more persons will be quarantined, and health officials continue to urge persons to get vaccinated against the COVID-19 virus. Glenn Bart reporting for SK Newsline.